You worried about data corruption while migrating to QuickBooks? Well, you're not alone, and that's exactly why you need our data migration services. No matter which accounting software you currently use, whether it's NetSuite, AccountEdge, Sage Intacct, Sage 100, Sage 50, or any other accounting software, we specialize in securely migrating your financial data to QuickBooks. We support seamless transfers from all these platforms as well as from any version of QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, ensuring your data moves accurately and safely without any corruption or loss. Say goodbye to lost transactions or damaged files during transfer. Our SSL encryption and 24/7 support keep your data protected and your migration seamless. Don't risk your critical business data. Trust the experts who get it right the first time. Dancing Numbers, your reliable partner for QuickBooks data migration.